How to log out of Genshin Impact account on PS4. For this, open up a preferred browser on your PC. Now right here, if you search for a Genshin Impact and if you log in into your Genshin Impact account, you will not find the option to actually log out of your PS4. However, you will find the option where it says that you are linked to your PS4, but if you try to log out from there, you will not be able to log out or unlink your PS4 from the application or the web page itself. This is because there is no direct way of unlinking your PS4 with a Genshin Impact account. To do that, you actually have to go ahead and send an email to genshin_cs@hoyoverse.com. In the subject, you can write unlink account, and in the body, you can go ahead and write that I would like to unlink my Genshin account from my PS4. Now, once you tap on the send button and the mail is sent, the Genshin team will get back to you after a while, where you will find a list of forms to fill out. It will require your current PSN online ID, and also if your PSN is already linked to Hoyoverse Pass, you have to also provide them with the email address with which it is linked to. You should also provide them the Genshin Impact account creation date and the UID on your PS4 or PS5. So you have to fill out this form and again send it to them, and after a thorough review they will get back to you and they will finally able to help you with unlinking or logging out your Genshin Impact account on PS4. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. We hope it was helpful and informative to you.